Good morning students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class we have completed the lesson Music Helps Plants Grow. Today I am summing up the theme of the chapter and will also discuss some activities. Students, as we have discussed in the previous class, Les Houston, the great sound engineer from New York, United States of America, conducted various experiments on plants and propounded a theory known as Houston's theory. And according to Houston's theory, plants definitely react to music. Plants definitely react to music. Music also helps plants to soothe, or music soothes the plants, means make the plants calm and quiet. Music also helps plants to grow. So Les Houston, a great sound engineer from the New York, conducted various experiments on plants, and in one of his experiments he took two banana plants and he gave equal amount of light, heat and water to both the banana plants. But one plant listened to music for an hour and it was a high-pitched humming sound. So the plant that listened to music started growing faster in comparison to the other banana plant. And the same plant also grew 70% taller than the other plants. So Les Houston concluded that plants definitely react to music. So according to Les Houston, music has a great impact on the plants. It helps plants to grow faster. So the other two authors, Lynn and Joe Raff, the authors of the famous book Indoor Plants, according to Lynn and Joe Raff, the authors of the book Indoor Plants react to all types of sounds. Students, as we have discussed in the previous class, according to Les Houston, plants definitely react to music. But according to Lynn and Joe Raff, the authors of the famous book Indoor Plants react to all type of sounds. It may be music or it may be different types of voices. So they react to all types of sounds according to Lynn and Joe Raff. So they told that whenever such type of sounds reaches the plants, then that sound creates vibration. Vibration means continuous shaking sound. And this vibration stimulates plants, means makes plant more active and alert. So this vibration stimulates plants to grow or make plants more active and alert. They have also told that plants have a definite like and a dislike towards music. They told that plants like to listen classical music or Shastriya Sangeet. So this is the difference between the theory propounded by Les Houston and the concept given by Lynn and Joe Raff. So Lynn and Joe Raff they say that plants react to all types of sounds. It may be music or it may be the sound of different type, or it may be different types of voices. The plants have also definite likes and dislikes towards what? Towards different types of music. They told plants like classical music more. But Les Houston propounded the theory. He told that plants definitely react to music. And Les Houston very scientifically explained that how music affects the plants or how music influences the plants to grow. According to Les Huston in a scientific way explained that whenever the humming sounds reaches near the plants, the humming sounds create vibration. And whenever the humming sounds create vibration or continuous shaking sound, it helps the plant's breathing cells to open up. And students, as we have discussed in the previous class, breathing cells means the cells that helps the plants to breathe. So continuous vibration open what the breathing cells, continuous vibration opens the breathing cells of the plants, and when the breathing cells of the plants are being opened, then from the atmosphere they can take more nutrients, and nutrients are the essential elements in the food that helps plants to grow faster, that makes plants or that make plants to grow healthy. So when the breathing cells remain open for longer period because of vibration produced by music, as the breathing cells remain open for the longer period, the plants can absorb more nutrients from the atmosphere, and these nutrients helps the plants to grow faster. So this is what Les Huston explained in a very scientific way, that how the vibration opens the breathing cells and remaining open for a longer period, or as the breathing cells remain open for a longer period, how they absorb more nutrients from the atmosphere, and how these more nutrients makes plants more healthy and help the plants to grow faster. And also he has told this has also some negative impact. Take for example, if the plants are provided or plants listen to the music, or this vibration remains continuous, non-stop, and there is no break to such type of a vibration, the breathing cells will not close. And if the breathing cells will not close, then what happens? The plants will grow faster, but ultimately it will kill itself. Ultimately it will become responsible for its death, and ultimately it will die. So if the breathing cells will remain open for longer period and it will never closed, then automatically at last the plant will die. It has also some negative impact as told by Les Huston. So students, today we have discussed that music helps plants to calm and cool down, or it soothes the plants. It soothes the plants means it makes the plants calm and quiet, and it also helps plants to grow faster. And we have also discussed about the scientific experiments conducted by Les Huston, and also the experiments that are conducted by Lynn and Joe Ruff. Students, this is the theme of the lesson, music helps plants grow. So today we have discussed about the lesson, music helps plants grow. Students, let's discuss some activities. Students, we add ing to verbs and use before nouns to talk more about them. Okay, we add ing to verbs and use before nouns to talk more about them. For example, breathe plus ing. Breathe plus we are adding ing. So it becomes breathing. Okay, so it is used before cells. Breathing is used before cells. Okay, breathing is used before cells in the text. In the textbook, you have seen the word breathing cells. Okay, in the textbook, you have seen the word breathing cells. So students, as we have discussed, we add ing to verbs and use before nouns to talk more about them. For example, we have added ing to the verb breathe and it become breathing. And also you see that what it is used before cells in the text and it becomes breathing cells. It becomes what? Breathing cells. So students, now let us do some activity. Now let us add ing to the verbs in the box 1. In the box 1 you see the words like breathe, grow, excite, hum, soothe are given. So now let us add ing to the verbs in the box 1 and use them before the nouns choosing from the box 2. Okay, choosing from the box 2. So first we will add ing to the verbs in the box 1. Then after adding the ing to the verbs in the box 1, then we will what? Then we will use them before nouns choosing from the box 2. And after this we will try to fill in the blanks given in the question number 2. So students, let's look at this. First one already we have done. First one is here breathe. We have added ing to this and we have used this before the what cells. So it becomes breathing cells. Next we have added ing to the grow. It becomes growing and we have added it before plants. Growing plants. So next exciting. Excite. We have added ing. Okay, so exciting experiments. Exciting experiments. Then students, humming sounds. Humming sounds. The last one is soothe. Let's add ing. To soothe, it will become soothing. Soothing waves. Okay. So students, you see in the box 1 there are some verbs like breathe, grow, excite, hum and soothe. So we have added ing to these verbs and also we have placed them before what? Before the what? Before the nouns. Okay. So what we have placed them before the nouns. It becomes like breathing cells, growing plants, exciting experiments, humming sounds and soothing waves. Let's fill in the blanks. There are dash on plants and music. There are dash on plants and music. There are exciting experiments. Exciting experiments on plants and music. Students, as we have discussed that Les Huston conducted exciting experiments on plants and music. Next one is the dash helps plants grow fast. Students, the humming sound. The humming sounds help plants grow fast. The music stimulates the plants dash to stay open. The music stimulates the plants breathing cells. Breathing cells. Students, as we have discussed, as the music stimulates the plants breathing cells, so the breathing cells remain open for a longer period so that they can absorb more nutrients from the atmosphere and that helps plants to grow faster. So next one is the dash activate the growth of plants. Students, the soothing waves. The soothing waves activate the growth of plants. Last one is the continuous dash help plants to take more nutrients. Students, the continuous humming sound. Humming sounds. The continuous humming sounds help plants to take more nutrients. So students, today we have discussed the theme of the lesson. Music helps plants helps plants grow, and also we have discussed that how after adding ing to the verbs we make new words, and also how we add these words before the nouns, okay, before the nouns. So students, there are some homeworks for you. You try to answer the comprehension questions based on the text. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.